Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be talking about how to completely customize your Roblox avatar on your PS5, including changing your skin color, your head shape, outfits, accessories, and animations. So let's get started on this. In order to customize your avatar in Roblox on PS5, you need to first open your Roblox on PS5, go to the avatar section or the avatar editor page, and this will take you to the character customization screen. Then customize your character. Here's what you can do. You can change the body and skin, modify your skin color, head shape, and body size. And you can also select shirts, pants, dresses, or complete the outfits in the clothing. Then you can purchase new items in the marketplace as well. And you can add hats, glasses, gear, and other items. You can equip this to personalize your avatar. And you can change how your avatar walks, runs, or stands. You can also use emotes or animation pack for special effects. And at last, you can press the circle button or select the back to return to the main menu and save and exit. Your new avatar will now appear in all the games. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.